Hi, I'm Mike Winnett, and this is the Altek Minute, where even the most complex manufacturing processes are explained in 60 seconds or less. Today we're discussing the ins and outs of the injection molding process. Injection molding is a replicable precision manufacturing process used for high quality, close tolerance, high volume parts in many industries, including the consumer, space, medical, technology, and defense industries. Raw plastic pellets are fed from a desiccant dryer that preheats as well as removes moisture from the plastic pellets. The pellets are then fed into the injection molding machine's barrel that houses a reciprocating feed screw. Electric heat and friction from the screw's rotation melts or softens the plastic pellets. As the pellets feed into the barrel, the screw retracts to a set shot position. High pressure is applied to the back of the feed screw, injecting the now molten plastic into the mold to form the part. After a short amount of time, the resin solidifies, and the formed part is ejected from the mold. The molded part can then undergo secondary value-added operations such as threaded insert installation, assembly of additional components, machining, and decorating such as painting or pad printing. At Altek, we help you optimize your injection molded product designs and deliver you parts that exceed all expectations. A detailed engineering design for manufacturing part review can go a long way toward the success of your project. Our processes also include in-depth mold flow analysis and formal reporting and documentation. Learn more about how Altek can assist you with your next injection molding project at altek-inc.com.